Today I will show you a technique on how to trade a second day gap down. This is a very important lesson because we can see it very often in this market. A stock announces earnings, it gap downs a lot. So how can you trade it the next day, the day after the earnings? I will give an example, Netflix. It's a trade that we actually took on Netflix live on Zoom. So let's go to the chart and you will see exactly how you can trade a second day gap down. All right, this is Netflix daily chart, the left chart here. You can see the big gap down on April 20th, more than 40%. And we are looking at a way to trade the second day after the gap down. First of all, we need to know where the high and low of the gap down day is. 248.44 is the high and 212.84 it's the low. Next we want to go intraday and see where price is opening. So it's opening above yesterday's low, which is 212.84. So the plan here is that if Netflix reverses and goes to yesterday's low, that's a huge support level. Why? I will explain why. Look at this opening range break that happened on the 5 minute. So a lot of people got short into here. A lot of people were bearish on Netflix because of the bad earnings. So they started a short into here. Guess where their target was? That's the first reference point that they have, the previous day's low, 212.84. Most of them are covering into here. And what happens when someone is covering his shorts? Stock goes up because they need to buy their shares back in order to cover. So once we saw this move down here under and over this support line, we started a long on this retest. You can see this candle here that came back down, retested. The line gave us a higher low, and that's where I called the long, 213.30, somewhere into here, once this candle was bouncing. And our stop was exactly below this support line. It was 50 cents stop. Where did we sell? I actually sold most at 218, so I got almost $5 out of this trade. That was almost a 10-hour trade, amazing trade. You don't want to hold until the highs because you don't know if the price will go to the highs. But once you get more than 3-4 hours, start taking partials. And once you see weakness on level 2, you can take everything out. I wasn't at the charts to take this higher low again, but this was a nice long as well. Usually I'm not trading at this time, but this was a good one as well. So this is how you trade the second day after a big gap down. You find previous day's low and you see if price bounces at that level, you wait for a retest, a higher low, you take it long. That's very simple but very effective strategy. So thanks for watching. If you guys want to join my Zoom live and trade live with me so you can get these alerts live, just click the link in the description or in my bio, or send me a direct message and I will guide you. Take care.